Say just threw a LegMaker on that bit.
Goddamn snake, boy. That motherfucker. Get an intake. Get it, hey. What is it? That's carbon fiber.
Yeah.
LegMaker, bro. That's all LegMaker.
You know, because some people take their shit, they build their shit to go all the way down. Huh? Yeah.
If you look, the filter on that bitch, the filter is huge.
And the Anaconda head around there. That's it.
See, other people around, that's how they get them done. Is that better than the soft? It's got to be. Because the air is not escaping.
Yeah, and it sucks in more. And then you heard his shit.
He got a supercharger, so it's finna that air is just that little margin of it being that much.
You gonna paint that bit?
Is that shit overheat? Does it get hot fast?
You right, y'all right. Get it into.
I think so, no?
Not with this.
Like that. Yep. That's what it
opened up. Damn.
I'm trying to fix my speakers. I don't know. I think I blew a fuse or something. My shit went in protect mode. Now my whole amp don't even come up.
Damn.
Yeah.
No, the only time they get hot.
That's what the LegMaker does for it.
The only time they get hot is sitting in traffic. Other than that, man, I stay under 125, 130, 140 down the highway, man. I stay good.
And what year that is?
2017.
I just can't ride no challenge. That's why I didn't get a Marrow, man. My first car I was gonna get was the Marrow, man. I sat in one. I like, first of all, that bit too low, too big to be getting in up out of that. Can't do it that way, right? So I was like, all right. Then I heard these bitches like just running one day. I was like, oh, that's what I gotta have right there. That's the one.
Exactly.
That's the one. Cause these bitches nice. I like the coupe feel in them, but it's just
It's big. It's wide.
if that too. I'm already rolling out the car. See me like this one.
Do you like parking your shit going forward?
I'll back my shit in on me.
I've been saying parking that bitch going forward is always.
Yes, what's that right there? Do like an RT thing, y'all see it? RT thing.